This is Satya, Director and CEO of CB IoT Technologies Private Limited. I'm a serial entrepreneur. Apart from CB IoT, we call it as a CB Tech, and apart from this company, we have other two companies which are in the service industry, and which one company is showmyhall.com, and that is in the more of wedding industry. I'll talk about more about CB IoT Technologies, which is incubated with JU Incubation Center. Basically, how we incubated with the JU Incubation Center, because some of the products, and I'll keep on attending various seminars and pitching sessions and all. One point of time, right, I was pitching for the company for fundraising. I met Mr. Nayaz of JU Incubation Center. There I get a chance to interact with him and learn more about JU Incubation Center and how it will help the entrepreneurs and how to leverage that, because at that point of time this CB IoT Technologies, it's just started, and we are looking for some kind of guidance and mentorship. Of course, right, we need some space also, and need lot of connects. That is where I think, right, I was keep interacting with Mr. Nayaz. So he's a very graceful to help me out, and he invited to his office, and we had a lengthy discussion about what a JU incubator can help our company. So during the discussions, right, and he gave an opportunity to apply for the incubation program. We went and pitched in front of their jury panel. Luckily, I think we got selected, and we are incubated. Last 3 months we are working from, our team is working from their premises. The lot of advantages what we see is, apart from the space, they're also providing lot of connecting with the mentors, advisors, and we can also interact with the other incubatees. Right, so we can also share our experiences, and also, right, discuss various problems with the incubating companies, so that, right, we come to know, we share each other's experiences and leverage, right, lessons learned from each other. So that is where I think, right, lot of advantages I could able to foresee from the JU Incubation Center. So JU Incubators is coming up with a new venture called JJ Accelerators, which is focused on fintech and retail tech. So maybe upcoming entrepreneurs in this area can leverage this program. I'm sure, I think, right, there is a exciting team working behind this particular venture. You can leverage it, and you can get benefit out of this particular program.